It's been a year since the world witnessed the coronavirus outbreak. 1 year down the line and it only seems to be getting worse. I'm Diksha Sharma and you're watching VFN News. Germany's Chancellor Angela Merkel announced a nationwide lockdown in Germany in lieu of the rising COVID cases and the Easter holiday and celebrations approaching right around the corner. A 5-day national lockdown has been announced from April 1 to April 5. COVID restrictions have also been extended till April 18th. All shops will remain closed and religious activities will be carried out online. This has disappointed the German public, who had already been protesting against the continuous coronavirus restrictions in the country. Angela Merkel said in a news conference this Tuesday, "We are now in a very serious situation. Germany is in a race against time to vaccinate its population against the virus." Many serious problems contributed to this decision of the lockdown. To name a few, Germany's National Disease Control Center gave a warning that new infections are increasing at an alarming rate, and COVID-19's variant, which was first detected in the UK, is also being found in many parts of Germany. Then the Robert Koch Institute for Infectious Diseases also said that the ICUs in the country have started running out of their full capacity. Germany's health minister also gave another warning. According to her, there are not enough vaccines left in Europe if the third wave of the virus begins. This is because of supply problems with the vaccine and the suspension of the AstraZeneca vaccine. Angela Merkel ended her conference by telling the reporters that we basically have a new pandemic, significantly more deadly, significantly more infectious. With Easter holidays approaching and Germany shutting itself down for it, it might be interesting to see how India will tackle a similar circumstance like Germany. With the cases rising yet again in India, what will happen when the celebrations of Holi come around next week? Should India also impose a similar lockdown? Share your thoughts with us by commenting below. Make sure you like and share this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video.